Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna be cooking my favorite Filipino dish, the Bikol Express, with a twist. Now please continue to watch the video to find out why I call it a twist. This dish is so good that the last time someone prepared it for me, we fucked like rabbits. Ed! No, I'm kidding. I'm playing with you. Anyways, here's the recipe. Smoked pork, coconut milk, shrimp paste, cooking oil and water, minced garlic and chopped onions, grounded ginger and sliced chilies. Pour cooking oil into a heated pan. Add garlic and ginger, make sure they don't turn brown. Add the smoked pork and stir. Now add the shrimp paste, pour water, stir, and cover the pan. Once the meat is tender, add the chopped onions. Then add the sliced chilies. Stir, stir, stir. Now it's time to pour the creamy coconut milk. Mix them well. Simmer the stove. Cover the pan and boil until meat is cooked. Original Bikol Express is white, but mine with a twist is brown because I was using smoked pork. Serve and enjoy! My mom and my sister ate it for the first time and they loved it. So the twist was that instead of using the traditional fresh chopped pork, I was using my miso traditional smoked pork, something that's very close to my heart. And it was delicious. Ang sarap naman! Thank you.